Hallo, guten Abend. Can you hear me?
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend, ma'am.
Yeah. Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we'll just wait a couple of minutes for the rest of them also to join in. Okay. Let's see that people are still joining in. Okay. So we'll wait another 2-3 minutes and then we will start. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Am I audible to everybody? Hello, guten Abend. Okay. So let us start.
Hello, guten Abend.
Yeah, so we will continue with our conjugations. Okay, so in the last class we did conjugations for regelmäßiger Verben. Now this is regular verbs. Okay, so I had put up the worksheet for you all. Just 1 minute. I put up that sheet. Okay, so we will just discuss those conjugations once, and then today we will move ahead with Konjugationen von unregelmäßiger Verben. Okay, so just just give me 1 minute. I'll share my screen and then we can start. Okay, yeah, just a second. Yeah, all right. So before we go ahead, anybody has any questions, any doubts, anything not understood? Yeah, understood. Okay, all right. 1 minute. Okay. Mhm. Just give me 1 moment. I'll share my screen and then we can start. Yeah. One minute, for some reason my camera is not working. Yeah, all right. Okay, so yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Okay, so the
Yes, ma'am.
first part of this we had done. My screen is visible to you all, no? Yeah. Okay. So this we had conjugated in the last class. I've put up the conjugations over there. Okay. Now we will go ahead with the next one. Okay. So the verb in here is in diskutieren. Diskutieren is to discuss. Okay. So diskutieren, suchen. Suchen heißt to search. Okay. Then you have sagen. Sagen is to say something. Okay. Then frühstücken. Frühstücken is to breakfast. Okay. So in Deutsch, when you are using the term breakfast, okay, now in English we often use it as a noun. So we say, yeah, I have breakfast, for example. So we often say, yeah, I am having breakfast or I have breakfast. But in Deutsch, we have a verb for that. Okay. So das ist frühstücken. Frühstücken bedeutet to breakfast. Okay, so it is used as a verb. Okay, then machen is to make or to do something. Okay, then kommen we have done. Na? Ich komme aus Indien. So this was the first verb that we conjugated. Then hat man das Verb leben. Leben is to live. Okay, so we have done the verb wohnen. Klar? So ich wohne zum Beispiel in Deutschland. So wohnen Synonym is leben. So you can say ich wohne in Deutschland, ich lebe in Deutschland. Okay. Then fotografieren. Fotografieren is to take a picture or take a photograph. Okay. Then hat man das Verb lernen. Lernen heißt to learn. Okay, so I'll give you all a few minutes. Okay, y'all can try conjugating these verbs. If y'all have done it already, let the others finish it. We'll discuss the conjugations of these verbs and then we will go ahead with the next section of verbs. Okay, so we'll be doing some more regular verbs today and then we will be moving on to unregelmäßige Verben. This is irregular verbs. Clear?
Ma'am, could you just put the meaning right above the
On this
verb?
on the sheet. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, above the verb.
You all need it. Okay, I'll just write it down right now. I'll put it up when I put the solutions, no? So but it's okay, I'll just write it down right now. Okay, yeah. So diskutieren is to discuss. Okay, then suchen is to search. All right, then sagen is to say. Okay. Yeah, then we have Frühstücken is breakfast. Alright, then machen is to make something, to do something. Okay, so to do or make. Okay, so make a coffee, that is machen. Okay, so this we have learned. Okay, that is then kommen heißt to come. Okay, yeah. Then leben is to live. Okay, fotografieren is to click.
I'm unable to see what you are typing.
Y'all cannot see my screen?
We can see your screen, but what you're typing right now, we can't.
We are unable to see what you've typed.
Okay, you can't see it. 1 second. Huh?
It's frozen, ma'am.
It's one minute. Let me just try sharing it again. 1 second. Mm, 1 second. Mm. How about now? Visible?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
visible now.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Yeah, all right. So I'll give you all a few minutes. Y'all can finish these conjugations. Once y'all are done with these, then we will discuss like we discussed in the previous class, and then we will go ahead with some more verbs. Okay, I'll put up the solutions on your file on your Google document. Okay, like I did for the previous ones. Okay, but this y'all can just go ahead and practice this. Okay, so the rules remain the same. Okay, Stamm bleibt gleich. Das heißt, the stem of the verb is gonna stay the same. Okay, what will change is the ending. Okay, so ich Endung a, du Endung st, rs Endung st. So I think that much by now. Y'all can refer to your previous conjugations also for the Endung. So machen Sie das, then we can go ahead and we will discuss the answers. Okay, yeah. So do this. Once you all are done, we will discuss your answers. Clear? All right.
Hi. So I actually missed the last class. Meanwhile, when everybody is solving this, can you just give a brief about what
Uh,
is?
the thing is, you all have a recording of it, no? So we basically practiced conjugation. So what we did was to learn how verbs are used in sentences. I
Mhm.
will not be explain. I'll not be able to explain it to you in 2 minutes right now. So it's advised
Okay.
that you go back to the recording because it was like a full 1 hour class where all of this was explained part by part. So it's not something like vocabulary that I can quickly go through it. Okay. So just make
Got
sure that if you miss a class, make sure you all go through the recordings before attending the class so that it gets easier for you all. So no problem, you can through the class today. Might be a little difficult to follow, but then go through the previous recording and then after that go through today's recording as well so that the concept is thorough. Okay?
Okay, sure.
All right. Yeah. Okay, so once you all are done, let me know. We will discuss the answers.
Ma'am, the chat box is again
Sorry?
disabled. The chat box is again disabled.
Yeah. I have texted the team. Hopefully, Heather will do it soon. Yeah, I know. I have texted him. He'll start the chat. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Sind Sie fertig? Should we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Stamm bleibt gleich und die Endung ändert sich. That is, the ending is what is going to change. Yeah.
नहीं डोमिनोज तो नहीं नहीं यार
Yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
यार
Just mute your microphones, please. Yeah, yeah.
not required like चावल वही होगा ना
I am not the host yet, so I cannot mute you all or unmute you all. So just make sure that you all are aware that your microphones are muted or no.
मेरा
Yeah.
क्लास चल रहा है
Ma'am, call is
मुझे कुछ
ending,
नहीं
ma'am,
चाहिए
so he can understand.
Yeah, I cannot do that. I can't even
चावल
text.
खा लूंगा
I cannot
Rajesh,
even text because I'm not made the host yet. That is the thing.
Rajesh, you need to
Yeah,
mute
Rajesh,
yourself.
Rajesh,
yeah, can you please mute your microphone? Yeah. If I were the host, I could have done it myself. I could have muted the microphone. I cannot, unfortunately. Neither can I send a text because it is not like the chat is not enabled. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just make sure you all have your microphones muted. Yeah. Rajesh. Okay. I'm guessing we can start. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. So wir beginnen mit dem Verb diskutieren. Okay. So die Konjugation heißt dann. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. Konjugation heißt ich diskutiere. You all can see the answers, no? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ich diskutiere. Du diskutierst. Okay. Then sie es diskutiert. Okay. Then wir diskutieren. No change. Okay. Ihr diskutiert. Okay. Then sie diskutieren. Und sie diskutieren. Okay. So Stamm bleibt wie es ist. Endung ändert sich. Okay. Dann suchen. Das ist dann ich suche. Okay. Man kann sagen du suchst. Okay. Sie es sucht. Wir suchen. Ihr sucht. Okay. Sie sucht. Ja. Sie. Clear? Then weiter. Verb ist sagen. Okay. So das ist ich sage. Ja. Okay. Then
Du sagst,
ja, genau. Du sagst. Okay. Sie es ist.
yes, sagt,
Okay. So sie es, das ist sagt. Okay. Wir sagen.
ihr sagen,
Ja. Okay.
ihr sagt,
Ja. Wir sagen. Okay. Dann ihr sagt. Okay. Sie sagen. Und sie sagen. Okay. Then das ist ich frühstücke. Okay. So when you are having breakfast, you simply say ich frühstücke. That's it. Okay. Can you all just check if your chats are on now? Enabled? Yeah.
No, ma'am, not yet.
Not yet?
Yes, ma'am, they are.
They are?
Mine is
yes, ma'am, they are.
Okay. All right. Okay.
mine is not actually.
Wait. Who is this not? Okay. I'll just finish this and I'll try and enable that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I cannot. They have mistakenly made somebody else the host. Navneet, can you hear me?
Navneet is the host.
Yeah.
Someone is the host now.
Yeah. Navneet, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just make me the host? I think they have accidentally made you the host, so it's recording on your device.
Yes, ma'am. I'll look into it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, never mind. I'll enable the chat for those who haven't been enabled. Okay, so we'll just continue with this.
Ma'am, I have a question here.
Yeah, sure.
Just wanted to know if you have explained this in the previous session or not. The difference between air, sea, S, and then I can see C
Yes.
again.
Yeah. So this topic I started in the class before. So in the previous class, I explained the verb conjugations. The class before that we had, which was so Friday, I was not able to take a class. So the
Right.
last class we did was Wednesday. So on Wednesday, I did this. I did conjugations, and the class for last Monday. Okay, so last Monday the class, the entire class, I have discussed the pronouns, that is ish, do, er, sie, es. Okay, all right.
No problem, ma'am. I'll go through with the
Okay, so
recordings.
go
Thank
through the recordings. Okay, if you all have any questions, let me know. See, these are actually like grammar topics, so I cannot just go over them in quick successions. Like I can't revise this in 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
No problem, ma'am.
Yeah, so just make sure that you all go through the recordings. Once you go through the recordings, after that if you have any questions, let me know. I can help you out, but if you haven't been through, it's a little difficult to cover the entire thing in 5-10 minutes.
Sure, ma'am. I understand. Yeah.
All right.
Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've made you the host right now.
Yeah, thank you, I saw. Okay, whose
Yeah.
chat was not enabled?
My chat is not enabled.
Okay, can you just check now?
Neither is mine. Chat.
Yeah,
Who's
neither mine. Georgina.
okay? One
Mine
minute.
also not enabled.
No, okay, I'll just do that one by one. 1 second. Okay, who else? Georgina and who else?
Mine, mine.
Have you checked mine? Suraj Das.
Okay, 1 minute.
Check for Yadu also.
Ma'am, mine also, Anjali.
Okay.
Mine also, Puru.
Okay. A lot of them your chats have been enabled.
Ma'am, Navneet here, me too.
Okay. Just raise your hand. I'll just one by one enable. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. All right. Just raise your hand so I can just see only those of y'all whose chats are not available. I will. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Once you'll see that your chats are enabled, you can just yeah. Yeah. Enabled. Okay. Sorry, just give me a moment. A lot of your chats haven't been enabled. I don't know how. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Enabled. Okay. All right. Mm. 1 second. Just give me a moment. A lot of you. Just yeah. Still a few of y'all whose chats are not enabled. Just check.
Mine is still disabled.
Still disabled.
Mine also, Anjali.
Okay. All right. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. Yes. Now check. I think all your chat should be enabled now. Is it enabled for everybody? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, thank you so much.
Perfect. Yeah. All right. So let's get back. All right. Yeah. Let's get back. Where were we? Yeah. So Frühstücken, whenever y'all are having breakfast, the way you make a sentence is you simply say ich frühstücke. So ich frühstücke at, let's say, if I want to say at 9 o'clock. So I am not going to use the term to have breakfast here. Okay. So das ist ich frühstücke, du frühstückst. Okay. Ja, ich frühstücke, du frühstückst, st, dann sie es frühstückt. Okay. Dann wir frühstücken. Okay. Okay, wir frühstücken. Ihr Frühstück. Stamm bleibt gleich. Okay. Dann sie frühstücken. Okay, und sie frühstücken. Clear? Also, then here machen. Okay, so this is again machen, so Kaffee machen. In Deutsch, we also say Party machen, picnic machen. Okay, so when we say probably to have a party, to have a picnic, to have a holiday, so we don't use the verb to have. Okay, we learn that as an irregular verb. Okay, es ist immer ich mache. So ich mache Party, ich mache ein Picnic. Okay, so it is always machen. Sport. Sport immer machen. Okay, so das ist ich mache. Ja. Ich mache. Okay, du magst. Alright, dann sie es macht. Wir machen. Okay, ihr macht. Klar? Sie machen. Sie machen. Okay? Yeah. Then ich komme. Okay. Du kommst. Okay, this we have done, no? Sie es kommt. Okay. Sie es kommt. Okay. Yeah. Then wir kommen. Okay. Ihr kommt. Okay. Sie kommen. Okay. Und sie kommen. Also, dann ich lebe. Okay, so das ist ich lebe. So you can say ich wohne in Berlin or ich lebe in Berlin. Both are synonyms. Okay, so the meanings of the verbs, of course, you will have to remember. Okay, so the more you will practice, the better you all will be able to remember this. Okay, so ich lebe, du lebst, sie es lebt. Okay, wear label. Okay, ear left. Yeah, dann sie leben. Okay, und sie leben. Okay. Dann weiter. Ich fotografiere. Okay. Ich fotografiere. Du fotografierst. Okay, klar. So, then er sie es fotografiert. Okay, T. Endet mit T. Ja, dann wir fotografieren. Okay, ihr fotografiert. Okay, sie fotografieren. IN. Okay, und sie fotografiert. Okay, then lernen. Lernen heißt to learn. So man sagt Deutsch lernen. Okay, we've had two verbs. In the earlier sheet, we did a verb studieren. Okay, und in dieser Tabelle oder in dieser Lektion lernen wir das Verb lernen. Okay, so the difference between studieren und lernen. Okay, studieren is to study. Okay, so to study on a university, for example, you're studying medicine, you're studying architecture, you're studying engineering. Das ist studieren. Lernen is something that you learn outside of a university. So normally when you are enrolled in an educational institution and you're doing a course, that is studieren. Aber lernen, wie jetzt zum Beispiel, wir lernen Deutsch. So you can say, ich lerne Deutsch. So when we say, welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? You can say, ich spreche English und ich lerne Deutsch, which means you are saying that, yeah, you are learning Deutsch. So, ich lerne, du lernst. Okay? Sie es lernt. Okay? Then wir lernen. Okay? Ihr lernt. Okay? Sie lernen. Okay? Sie lernen. All right? Yeah, so far you can focus on remembering these words. Okay, now after we do irregular verbs, after we do sentence structures, we will be going to exercises. So 1 or 2 classes I'll spend only with practice. Okay, so make sure that you'll keep going through these conjugations over and over. Okay, and then if you have any questions, let me know. So regardless of whether you have attended the last 3 classes or no, I would suggest go through the classes from last Monday, Wednesday, and today. Okay, in quick succession. So maybe over the weekend, all right, or maybe in the days that you have in between, because today is just Monday, so we have 2 more classes to go in this week. But whenever you all have time, make sure that you all go through those classes. The last class was short, so I did not take a complete 1.5 hour class because we were just doing the concept newly. Okay, so go through it. If you all have any questions, let me know. The second thing I wanted to say here is, I noticed that a lot of y'all have been texting me. Okay, although that's not a problem, it becomes a little difficult for me to make sure that I reply to each and every one of you, because there are a lot of texts and a lot of times it's difficult to explain doubts on texts. Okay, especially if concepts like these, if you all are not clear. So I would suggest that if you have a major doubt or a bigger doubt, just wait for the class to happen and you can ask me your questions at the beginning of the class, in the middle of the class, at the end of the class, anytime. But what happens is, because there's so many questions back to back, it becomes difficult for me to explain everything to you on a text message. Okay, because these are concepts, right? Small things is okay. What is this called? That what is that called? Also, because there are so many texts, sometimes it can happen that I probably miss a text or two. So it's just better that if you all have any doubts, just make sure you ask me during the class itself, so I can interact with you all. I'll also know if you all have understood it or no, because that becomes very difficult on text. Secondly, all those of you who are still new to the course, who have joined newly, if you all don't have the recordings, if you all are not, you don't know where to find the files, all of that, you can check with the grad team. They will give you the links to all of that. The links to the folder where you have these materials like our worksheets, is put up in the group description of the WhatsApp group. So once you get added to the group, you will find all of that. Okay.
So we have to send a mail to the student support if we are not able to find the recordings.
Yeah, you are in touch with Heather, right? Have you been in touch with?
No, this is the new class for me today.
Okay, so it's the first class, so you can just send them an email. Okay, whoever you are coordinating with the upgrad team, you can just
Okay.
check with them. They will add you to the WhatsApp group. They can share the recordings with you. So the previous recordings also, all the recordings are put up on the WhatsApp group after each class. So if let's say today your class is over, by tomorrow you should have the recording. But if you all have joined in recently in the last few days, it can happen that you all may not have access to all the classes. So I think we have finished 7 classes. Today is our 8th class. Okay, so make sure you all have all the eight recordings up until today. So today is 13th. So 8 recordings you should have after today's class. If you all don't have, you all can just check with the upgrad team, because I do not have access to recordings. I've said this before also. I don't have access to the recordings. So if you text me for recordings, I cannot give you any recording because I don't have access to it. It directly is shared from the upgrad team to the students. Okay, so they are gonna be there on your WhatsApp group. So if you all are added to the group, you all will get those recordings after every class. Okay, yeah, Rajesh, you have a question?
Sorry, I don't have a question. I just raised my hand regarding that chat enable.
Okay, all right, yeah, that's done for you, right? Yeah, all right, perfect. I think I see your message. Yeah, okay, all right. So anybody has any questions so far? Any doubts? Are you all clear with whatever we have done? Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for the missed classes, will there be extra classes or something to compensate all those?
Extra classes in terms of missed classes, as in I'm not sure. Like
Ma'am, some of the classes were not held now in a couple of days, so
they get added to your schedule. So we have a schedule. So basically, we don't disturb the Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule because then students have other commitments, and yours is a big group, no? So if I schedule an extra class, it shouldn't happen that it is interfering with somebody else's regular schedule. So I have missed 2 classes. Till now because I was sick, I couldn't take classes then. So they get added to your schedule automatically. So don't worry, it's not like you'll have lost on time or those classes will be missed. They automatically get added to your schedule. So basically, what I am doing today, I was supposed to be doing on Friday. Okay, so those 2 classes will get added to your schedule, so you won't be missing out on any time or anything. But we usually don't disturb the schedule because then a lot of them are students, a lot of them have other commitments, so it's difficult to reschedule and make sure that all of them are there on an additional or a separate day. So don't worry, that time will be covered up for you as the classes will get added to your course. Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
I just wanted to know.
Yeah, no problem. Don't worry. Y'all will not, I mean, if I'm unable, because I think next week also there is Diwali, so I'm not sure how the classes will be. Will there be a holiday or no? I'm not really sure of how the schedule for next week is as well. I'm gonna have to check with the team for that. So I will let you all know. Okay, like they'll update you all, but don't worry if classes are not happening, or let's say it's a holiday or so, all those classes will get covered up, so you all won't miss anything. All right.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So far good. Any questions? Yeah. 9. Alice, okay?
9, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Right. So now what we'll do is, now I'll put up this sheet. Okay, so you all have the answers with yourself also. But then before doing that, now I'm gonna take you all to the next category. Okay, clear? Now we have unregelmäßiger Verben. Okay, regelmäßiger Verben. These are the major categories that we have spoken of. Now, that's why we have regular verbs and then we have irregular verbs. Okay, clear? So when it comes to regular verbs, there are certain subcategories to regular verbs. Now, these verbs are regular. Okay, these verbs are all regular, but they have a slight difference when it comes to their conjugation. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these words. Okay, so just give me one moment. I will share my screen and then we can continue. Okay, yeah, so I'll just put this up on your worksheet and then we can do this. All right, so now Stamm and Endung. This is how we looked at our verbs. No? Das heißt, es gibt ein Stamm und es gibt eine Endung. So normalerweise Stamm bleibt gleich. Okay, in unregelmäßiger Verben, what happened is your Stamm stayed the same, no, and only your ending changed. Clear? Now what is going to happen is your Stamm is going to have certain specific endings. Okay, das heißt, Stamm hat einige Endungen. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. I will share my screen and then we can start. Okay, what's the title here? Yeah, all right. Sorry, just give me a moment. There are a lot of tabs. Yeah. Okay. So now we go on to certain subcategories. Okay, where the stem is going to be a little bit. Okay, the conjugation is gonna be slightly different. Can you see the screen? Yeah or no?
No, ma'am. I mean, it's all black. I guess you have enabled the
Yes.
screen or what?
All
You
black.
can see that, ma'am.
No.
It's you. Y'all can see this stem ended with S.
Yes, ma'am, I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. So now we are going to certain subcategories. Okay, certain peculiar verbs. Okay. So normally what we learn, stem stays the same and we add the endings. So we addieren te, este, a und so weiter. Now some words, the stem ends with s. Okay, so there are some words that we have where the stem is gonna end with s, or the stem is gonna end with the sound of s, that is the sound of s. Okay, so what are the letters which generate the sound of s? Okay, Nummer 1 is S. Okay, 2 is set. Okay, set, we know the sound is not z, the sound is s. It's set. We said December. Okay, so the sound here is s. Okay, the third sound that we have here is S-set. So S-set also, like we have learned, it makes a hissing sound. It is an extended sound of s. So normally, if you see, all of these conjugations are going to be in the same manner. Okay, but only one conjugation here is gonna get affected, and that conjugation is that of do. Okay, so the Verben, die wir hier sehen, okay, the verbs that you have here, you have reisen. Reisen bedeutet to travel. Okay, so reisen means to travel. Okay, next we have the verb tanzen. Tanzen is to dance. So tango tanzen, salsa tanzen. Now this is tanzen. Und das Verb, das dritte Verb, sorry, das dritte Verb here is das Verb heißen. Heißen is to be. Okay, so remember we did the Frage for Name, na? Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Ankita. So das ist dann so to be something. I am something, you are something. So the meaning of the word that you see here is to be. Okay, so now if you see, das sind regelmäßige Verben. Okay, they are all regular verbs. Stem remains the same. Okay, endings are gonna change. Ich, ending is gonna be a. Du, okay, as yes. So you're conjugating the verb in the similar manner with one slight difference. Okay, ich, ending we have is a. Okay, should we go? Yeah. So ich, ending is a. Okay, clear? Normally, the ending for do is st, right? Clear? Normally, the ending for do is st. Clear? But when your stem ends with s, set or the s set, that is, it ends with either s or the sound of s, you do not need another s here. Okay, so normally what we would do, we would add st, right? Du reist, du tanzt, du heißt. Okay, but here this s is not required. Okay, so what we do is we simply add t to the do conjugation. Why? Because the sound of s for us is already present. Okay, so remember this, when the stem ends with s or it ends with a sound of s, you simply add t to the conjugation. You do not add anything else. Okay, clear? So this is done. Du endung is te. So du reist, du tanzt, okay, du heißt und so weiter. Clear? So the rest of the conjugation is the same as you have learned. SES endung ist te. Sie, an, wir, an. Ihr normalerweise nochmals te. Sie reisen, sie reisen. Okay, so there is no change in here. Okay, however, what changes is when you have s set, okay, stem ends either with se, that is, it either ends with s or it ends with the sound of s. Okay, so then the conjugation for do will only have te and do. Okay, so we'll repeat these conjugations. Understood? Anybody has any questions here? Any doubts? Anything not understood? Yeah? Clear?
Fine.
So I'll repeat it once. So see, these are grammar rules. So we have to remember them. Like if you ask me, okay, why is this the thing? It's just the rule. So what logically, if you look at it, it means that yes, the sound of sir is already there. No? So you don't need to add another sir to it. You can just use the sound which is there in the stem. This rule goes for all verbs. Okay, be it regular verbs, be it irregular verbs. Anytime you have the stem that ends with sir or a sound of sir, your do will only have te and do. Okay, so we have wiederholen in this. I'll repeat it once, so you can repeat it after me. Okay, so ich reise, du reist, sie es reist, wir reisen, ihr reist, sie reisen, sie reisen. Okay, then weiter. Ich tanze, du tanzt, sie es tanzt, sie tanzen, wir tanzen, ihr tanzt, Sie tanzen. Weiter. Ich heiße. Du heißt. Sie, es heißt. Sie heißen. Wir heißen. Ihr heißt. Sie heißt. Clear? 100%? Yeah? Clear? Understood? Any questions? Alright. Makan, we are in a pause. Should we take a break for around 7-8 minutes? Yeah? Alright, because we have one more category of verbs to go to. Okay. So I'll see, probably I'll not start irregular verbs then today. Maybe we'll finish only the regular verbs. You all can revise, get thorough with these verbs. And then Wednesday we can start with irregular verbs. Okay. I'll do some vocabulary with you instead. Okay, so wir machen eine kurze Pause. So Pause machen. To take a break, to have a break, all English. Aber auf Deutsch ist das Pause machen. So wir machen eine Pause. We'll take a break. Okay? Alright. So yeah, roughly 7-8 minutes. Okay. Do not disconnect the call. You can just stay online. Okay. Take a break. Yeah. Yeah, everyone back? Hello? Okay, right. Yeah, should we continue? Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Now we will go to the next subcategory. Okay, so category 1 is stem ended with S. Okay, stem ended with S or a sound of S, you can say. Okay, so stem ends with either S or it ends with the sound of S. Okay, clear? Now the next sorry, the next category that we will be going on to is stem ended with te und de. Okay, so then yeah, so there are words where your stem has a sound of t. Okay, your stem has a sound of t or has a sound of d. Amanda. Okay, so sound of te und de. Okay, so stem ended with te und de. Alright, so ja, so das erste Verb hier ist das Verb arbeiten. Arbeiten bedeutet to work. Okay, so the next question that we will be learning in terms of profession for your self-introduction. So your profession and the place that you work, or what do you work as, your designation. So for that, das Verb is arbeiten. So arbeiten is to work. Okay. So here if you see the stem ends with T. Okay, stem here ended with T. Okay, clear? And then the zweite Verb here is das Verb finden. Okay, so finden heißt to find something. Okay, so if you have lost something and you find something, that is finden. Okay, so stem ended here mit T und D. Okay, so arbeiten und finden. Okay, now if you look at the conjugation, ich arbeite, okay, adhering a, normally how you would do it that way. Okay, do, however, the conjugation is not st aber ast. So do is nicht arbeits, okay, it is arbeitest. Okay, now the grammatic rule here is used to ease pronunciation. Okay, so when you pronounce certain sounds like these, okay, tst or the dst, it puts a lot of pressure on your vocal cords. Okay, so this rule was brought into the language to ease that pronunciation. Of course, we cannot do this at our will. Okay, if it is there, we use it. All right, so ich arbeite, du arbeitest. Okay, ast. Sie arbeitet, et. Okay, so ich arbeite, du arbeitest, sie arbeitet, it. Okay, then sie arbeiten, again no change. Wir arbeiten, again no change. Ihr arbeitet, okay, nochmals et. Ihr arbeitet, sie arbeiten. Verstehen Sie? Yeah. Similarly, we do it with stem ending with d. Okay, so stem ended with d. Ich finde, du findest. Okay, sie es findet, et. Sie finden, wir finden, ihr findet, sie finden. Okay, so when your stem ends with te und de, the conjugation is with ast or at. Okay, so we'll repeat these words once. I'll repeat it once, you can repeat it after. Okay, so let us start. Ich arbeite, du arbeitest, sie es arbeitet, okay, sie arbeiten, wir arbeiten, ihr arbeitet, sie arbeiten. Okay, then weiter. Ich finde, Du findest. Sie es findet. Wir finden. Ihr findet. Sie finden. Klar? Also, so jetzt gibt es drei Verben. Okay, wir haben hier drei Verben. Diese Verben sind antworten, warten und reden. Okay, so antworten is to answer. So earlier we did the verb fragen. Na? Fragen und antworten, they are opposites. Okay, to question and to answer. Okay, then we had the word warten. Warten was to wait. Okay, und danach hat man das Verb reden. Reden is to talk. So you have sprechen, which means to speak, okay, and then you have reden, which means to talk, okay. So antworten, warten und reden. So I'll give you 2 minutes. You all can quickly conjugate these verbs, okay, like how we have conjugated these, okay, mit ast, okay. Mackenzie, thus we will discuss these and then we will do a set of vocabulary. Okay, so I'll not continue further with the grammar. Last 15-20 minutes, we'll just watch some videos, we'll learn some vocabulary. Okay, but you all can finish this conjugation. These three words, Entschuldigung. Okay, we'll discuss and then we'll go ahead. Klar? So, machen Sie das, danach diskutieren wir. Yeah? Also, yeah. Right, so we've discussed the pronunciations of these. All right, then we can go ahead. Yeah, so do this, then we shall discuss. Okay, I'll write down the answers for you all there. So you all can always go back to the notes and check it out. Okay. Yeah. So antworten is to answer. Fragen und antworten, they are opposites. Question and answer. Okay. Then you have warten, that is to wait. So if you want to, so you can start using these also in the class. If you all want, if I'm, let's say I'm going fast, or if you want me to wait before discussing, you can just say yeah, bitte, warte. Okay. And then reden, das heißt to talk. Clear? So yeah, let me know once you all are done, we'll discuss. Yeah, fertig? Done or no?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, alright. So ich konjugiere jetzt die Verben für dich. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, alright. Just give me 1 moment. Okay, so we'll discuss the answers to your words. Okay, yeah. So okay, can you see the screen? Okay, so warten, antworten und reden. Okay, so I'll repeat it once, you all can repeat it after me. Okay, so ich antworte, du antwortest. Okay, sie es antwortet. Okay, wir antworten, ihr antwortet, sie antworten. Okay, dann weiter. Ich warte, du wartest.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Can you explain the meaning of the three words that are written?
Yeah, antworten is to answer, okay, to respond to a question, to answer a question. That is antworten. Warten is to wait, okay. So if you're waiting for a bus, you're waiting for a person, okay, das ist warten, okay. Und reden is to talk, okay. So sprechen is to speak, but reden is to talk. So that's the difference, okay. Yeah. Then weiter, we'll start with warten again. Ich warte, du wartest, sie es wartet. Okay, dann wir warten, ihr wartet, sie warten. Okay, danach ich rede, du redest, sie es redet. Okay, wir reden, ihr redet, sie reden. Okay, clear? Any questions, any doubts? So far good? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
so I have put up all the conjugations that we have done in the last 2 classes. Okay, so you can just go through this sheet. You will find all the conjugations, the one we did in the previous class. So starting here, okay, starting from class number 6, where we did these pronouns, sieben, where we did the verbs. Okay, so this is what we did in the class last Wednesday, and this class today. Okay, so whatever we have done, all of it is here. You can go through it simultaneously with the recordings. If you all have any questions, of course you all can let me know in the next class. Okay, and make sure, including today's class, you all should have 8 recordings. Okay, so this is your 8th class. At the document also, if you see, the number of the class is always written. Okay, so I write down the number so that you know, okay, if this is the first class, if this is the second class, if this is the third class. So the number of that class is also written there. All right, also whatever videos we watch, okay, those links also I will put up, so you can just click on the link right there and you can watch the videos. So basically you have the complete class, whatever we did in the class, that should be there with you. Okay, so all right, now we'll be doing some vocabulary today. Okay, and that is starting with Länder und Sprachen. Okay, so we have done, okay, in our introduction, no, we have done countries and languages, like we saw ich komme aus Indien, for example, oder ich wohne in Berlin zum Beispiel. Okay, so you always have different countries which are called differently. Okay, so we will sorry, so we will take a look at those videos today. Okay, I have shared the links with you all. So of course you all can keep repeating these links over and over again so that you all can get a hold of the vocabulary. All right. So yeah, just give me 1 minute. I will share my screen and then we can start. Okay. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. I'll share my screen and we should start. Okay. Yeah. All right. Just tell just tell me if the audio is clear. Okay. So just a moment. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'm sharing my. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So can you all hear? Just tell me that. Then I'll do. Audible?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. All right. So I'll mute my microphone so that there's no disturbance. So tell me if you all can hear it properly. Okay. If there is any problem with the audio, just send a message. Okay.
Länder und Sprachen. Hör zu und sprich nach. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich spreche Deutsch. Ich komme aus Österreich. Ich spreche Deutsch. Ich komme aus der Schweiz. Ich spreche Deutsch, Italienisch und Französisch. Ich komme aus Italien. Ich spreche Italienisch. Ich komme aus der Türkei. Ich spreche Türkisch. Ich komme aus Frankreich. Ich spreche Französisch. Ich komme aus England. Ich spreche Englisch. Ich komme aus Japan. Ich spreche Japanisch. Ich komme aus Polen. Ich spreche Polnisch. Ich komme aus Russland. Ich spreche Russisch. Ich komme aus Spanien. Ich spreche Spanisch. Ich komme aus den USA. Ich spreche Englisch. Auf Wiedersehen.
My silly little
Hello everyone, welcome to our video series on learning German vocabulary. In this video, we'll be learning the names of some countries and their respective languages in German. Das Land, die Sprache. All you have to do is listen to me and repeat. So are we ready to begin? And the first one is Deutschland. Deutsch. Noch einmal or once again. Deutschland, Deutsch. Spanien. Spanisch. Noch einmal. Spanien, Spanisch. Frankreich, Französisch. Noch einmal. Frankreich, Französisch. Österreich, Deutsch. Noch einmal. Österreich, Deutsch. Polen, Polnisch. Noch einmal. Polen, Polnisch. Die USA. Englisch. Noch einmal. Die USA. Englisch. Tschechien. Tschechisch. Noch einmal. Tschechien. Tschechisch. England. Englisch. Noch einmal. England. Englisch. Italien. Italienisch. Noch einmal. Italien. Italienisch. I'm sure you have already noticed that most of the languages end with ish. Holland, Holländisch. Once again, Holland, Holländisch. Portugal, Portugiesisch. Noch einmal, Portugal, Portugiesisch. Griechenland, Griechisch. Noch einmal, Griechenland, Griechisch. Ungarn, Ungarisch. Once again, Ungarn, Ungarisch. Russland, Russisch. Noch einmal, Russland, Russisch. Schweden, Schwedisch. Noch einmal, Schweden, Schwedisch. Dänemark, Dänisch. Noch einmal, Denmark, Danish. Japan, Japanisch. Noch einmal. Japan, Japanisch. Indian, Hindi. Noch einmal. Indian, Hindi. China, Chinesisch. Noch einmal. China, Chinesisch. Some countries have an article and you have to learn them like that. For example, die Türkei, Türkisch. Noch einmal, die Türkei, Türkisch. Thailand, Thai. Once again, Thailand, Thai. Übung. Now we'll practice a few of the countries and languages to see how much you have learned. All the best. Was passt? Here are some countries and some languages. I'm sure you know what to do. We'll give you some time, and the time begins now. Well done. Now let's revise all the countries and the languages once again. Deutschland, Deutsch. Spanien, Spanisch. Frankreich, Französisch. Österreich, Deutsch. Polen, Polnisch. Die USA, Englisch. Tschechien, Tschechisch. England, Englisch. Italien, Italienisch. Holland, Holländisch. Portugal, Portugiesisch. Griechenland, Griechisch. Ungarn, Ungarisch. Russland, Russisch. Schweden, Schwedisch. Dänemark, Dänisch. Japan, Japanisch. Indien, Hindi. China, Chinesisch. Die Türkei, Türkisch. Thailand, Thai. Sehr gut. I hope you enjoyed learning the countries and their languages today.
All right. Yeah. All right. So yeah, I guess we can stop for now. Okay. So I have put up the videos also. Of course, there are more. So if you come across something you want to share, you can always share the link in the class. Okay. So there's a lot of content out there. You can, if you find something interesting, do share it in the class also. So we can all, okay, the others can also go through that. So ja, okay, das ist alles für heute. Okay, so wir können jetzt Schluss machen. We can stop for now. I'll see you all on Wednesday, same time, and then we will continue. Okay? Also, so ja.
Okay, tschüss.
Ja, tschüss, bis Mittwoch. Bye. Gute Nacht.
Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.
Ja, auf Wiedersehen. Okay, tschüss.
Ciao.
Ja, tschüss, ciao. Bis Mittwoch.